Okay, this is my Jek Porkins costume that I made for Dave and Simone's anniversary. And it even has some sound effects.
Look at my sexy body. Oh yeah. Oh, look, I'm like a singer. Oh, sexy man, eating like a sexy man can. By the way, would you like some chicken? I've got more.
No thanks.
No. Oh, I'm a hot case, he says. Well, listen up, City Jim. I ate a baby. Oh, aye, baby, the other white meat. Baby, it's what's for dinner.
Welcome to Kashyyyk Fried Pork. May I take your order?
I'll have a 20-piece bucket of Kashyyyk fried pork nuggets, 4 Hovenarian frog eggs, 1 large Wookiee tater fries, 1 large Banta Blue milkshake.
Welcome to Kashyyyk Fried Pork. May I take your order?
I'll have a 20-piece bucket of Kashyyyk fried pork nuggets, 4 Hovenarian frog eggs, 1 large Wookiee tater fries, 1 large Banta Blue milkshake.
All right, everybody, hands in the air. All right, now I want you to take off your helmets, go outside, and dig your own graves with them.
Han, that's kind of dark.
Shut up! There's enough cutesy crap in this movie. I think we all need this. Now get outside!
I have a family.
Faster!
I just do data entry.
All right, you, kill him.
What?
Kill him. Take this knife and stab him in the mouth.
No, please.
Shut up!
Noisy brute. Why did we just go into light speed? Pay attention to what you're doing.